We are now in question number 3, and the equation is the square root of 2x minus 3 plus the square root of x plus 2 is equal to 3. Okay, so our target here is we are going to move or transfer square root of x plus 2 to the right side. So we have square root of 2x minus 3, okay, is equal to 3 minus square root of x plus 2. Okay, then we're going to get rid with the radical sign in the left side, so we have to square it, and we also have to square the other side, so both sides should be squared. Okay, now then we have, okay, 2x minus 3 equals, okay, we have to use the FOIL method. Okay, first outside, inside, and last. So 3 times 3 is 9, and then 3 times negative square root of x plus 2 is negative 3 square root of x plus 2. Okay, and then negative square root of x plus 2 times 3 is negative 3 square root of x plus 2. And then negative square root of x plus 2 times negative square root of x plus 2 is positive x plus 2. Okay, now so we are going to tidy up the left side, the right side. So we have 2x minus 3 equals, I can see we have here negative 9 and 2, okay, can be combined, and we have another one, okay, this one, negative 3 square root of x plus 2 and negative 3 square root of x plus 2. Okay, so first we have to add 9, add 2 is equal to 11. Okay, 11. And then negative 3 square root of x plus 2, negative 3 square root of x plus 2 is negative 6 square root of x plus 2. Okay, and then plus x. Okay, next, I can subtract, okay, minus x here, both sides, minus x also here. So 2x minus 1x will give us 1x, or x minus 3 equals 11 minus 6 square root of x plus 2. Okay, then I'm going to transfer x minus 3 to the right side and negative 6 square root of x plus 2 to the left side. So what happened is we have 6 square root of x plus 2, okay, equals 11 minus x plus 3. So then we have, okay, we have now, so x 6 square root of x plus 2 equals 11 plus 3 is 14 minus x. Okay, then what we have now is we are going to get rid with the radical sign. So we have to square this, and we have to square also this one. So we have now, okay, 6 times 6 is 36 times x plus 2 equals, okay, FOIL again. 14 times 14 is 196, and then 14 times negative x is negative 14x, and the negative x times 14 is negative 14x, and then negative x times negative x is positive x squared. Okay, now then we have to collect, okay, the same terms in the right side, but we can also distribute 36 times x is 36x. Okay, 36 plus positive times positive 2 is positive 72 is equal to, we can combine the negative 14x and negative 14x. So it will give us 196 minus 28x plus x squared. Okay, now then we have to put all the equation in the right side. So this becomes now 0 equals 196 minus 28x plus x squared minus 36x minus 72. Okay, then we have to tidy up. We have, okay, so let's arrange the equation. It must be x squared first, and then negative 28 and negative 36x is negative 64x. Okay, I hope I have added it correctly. Okay, and then 196 minus 72 is positive 124. Okay, now, so let's rewrite the equation. Okay, x squared minus 64x plus 124, okay, equals 0. Okay, now, we're going to factorize. So, use factor using the product sum. Okay, so we can see 124 and then negative 64x. So we will have here x minus blank and then x minus blank. Okay, so 124, let us factorize. Okay, two numbers that multiply together to get 24 is, we have 2 times 62. Okay, and then we have to factor 62. We have 2 times 32. Okay, now I need to add two numbers that will add up to 64, that when we multiply it will give us 124. So I can see here 62 and 2. So if you multiply together, it will give us 124. Add together, it will give us 64. So we have here 2. Okay, we have 2 and 64. Okay, so our possible equation, x, or solution, x is equal to 2, and the other possible one is x equals negative 6. Oh, sorry, it's positive. Sorry, 64. Now, let's find out from the two which one is the solution. Okay, or might be two of them. So let us go back to the original equation. Square root of x, 2x minus 3, okay, plus square root of x plus 2 equals 3. So if it is 2, let's substitute 2, square root of 2 times 2 minus 3, okay, plus square root of 2 plus 2 equals 3. So we have square root of 2 times 2 is 4 minus 3 plus square root of 4 equals 30, okay, equals 3. So we have here square root of 1 plus square root of 4 equals 3. So square root of 1 is 1 plus square root of 4 is 2 is equal to 3. So 3 is equal to 3. Okay, 3 here, 2 is a solution. Okay, let's try the other one. Okay, if it is also the solution, the 64, going to use red ink. Okay, now, so we have square root of 2x minus 3 plus square root of x plus 2 equals 3. So it's 64. So square root of 2 times 64 minus 3, okay, plus square root of 64. Oh, so it's not 64, it's 62. Okay, I'm just, okay, I overlook. It's 60. Okay, this is 62. Sorry, this is 62. What happened? Okay, and this one also is 62. Okay, so let's continue. So this is 62 plus 2 equals 3. This is also 62 here. 62. Okay, now so 62 times 2, so we have square root of, okay, 62 times 2 is equal to 124. Okay, minus 3 plus square root of, okay, we have 62 plus 2 is 64 equals 3. So we have here 121, because 124 minus 3 is 121. Square root 121 plus square root of 64 equals 3. So this one is square root of 121 is 11 plus square root of 64 is 8 equals, okay, 3. So, okay, it's not the same because 19 is not equal to 3. Okay, we have only one solution for this question. So, the solution is x is equal to 2. We have here x is equal to 2. Okay, now let's proceed to question number 4 and the last for this one. Okay, so square root of x minus 7 is equal to square root of 2 times square root of x minus 2, close bracket. So what we have to do is we will get rid with the radical sign. So we have here square root of x minus 7 equals square root of 2 times square root of x minus 2. So I'm going to get rid with this radical sign. So I have to square it and I have to square both sides. Okay, now we have, okay, we have x minus 7 equals, okay, square root of 2 square is 2 times, okay, we have to use the FOIL. Now x, square root of x squared is, or square root of x times square root of x is equal to x, okay, and then square root of x times negative 2 is negative 2 square root of x, and then negative 2 times square root of x is negative 2 square root of x, and then negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. Okay, then we have to collect. We can see that we can collect this or simplify. Okay, so we have 2, okay, x minus 7 equals 2 times x. Negative 2 square root of x, negative 2 square root of x is negative 4 square root of x, okay, plus 4. Close bracket. Okay, then we have to distribute now. So we are going to multiply the number inside the brackets by 2. That is in the right side. Okay, so what happened is we will have x minus 7 equals 2 times x is 2x. Okay, 2 times negative 4 square root of x is negative 8 square root of x. Okay, 2 times positive 4 is positive 8. Okay, then what should we do now? I'm going to put this minus 8 square root of x to the left side and x minus 7 to the right side. So it becomes 8 square root of x is equal to 2x plus 8 minus x plus 7. Okay. Now, we're going to tidy up the right side. So we can see here that this 2x and minus x, okay, can be combined, and 8 positive 8 and positive 7. Okay, so let us see now. So what happened is we have 8 square root of x equals negative 2x minus x is 1x or x, and then plus 8 plus 7 is 15. Okay, then what we need to do is to get rid with the radical in the left side. So we need to square again. Okay, and then it must be both sides. Okay, to get rid with the radical. Okay, now, so what happened now is 8 times 8 is 64 times x equals, okay, FOIL again. We have x times x is x squared. Okay, then x times 15 is positive 15x. Okay, then 15 times x is positive 15x, and then 15 times 15 is 225. Okay, now then we have to tidy up again the equation in the right side. So we have now, okay, distribute for the left side. So 64 times x is 64x is equal to x squared plus 15x plus 15x is 30x. Okay, okay, this is there's plus 225. Okay, now then what are we going to do is we will put this in the all in the right side. So we have 0 is equal to x squared plus 30x plus 225 minus 64x. Okay, so we have 0 is equal to x squared. Okay, combine 30x minus 64x is negative 34x. Okay, plus 225. Okay, now let us now rewrite the equation. X squared minus 34x plus 225 equals 0. Okay, now we have to factorize again. So x squared minus 34x plus 225. Okay, so 225, and then must add together, multiply together to get 225, and when you add it must be 34. So let's see. Okay, so in other words, we have here again x minus in both sides, x minus. Okay, now so in 225 we have to factorize. So we have 15 times 15. So 15 we have we have 3 times 5, and here also 3 times 5. So 3 and 3 give us 9, and 5 and 5 give us 25. So 25 times 9 is equal to 225. When you add 9 and 25, we give us 34. So this one is 9 and this is 25. So we have x is equal to 9, one possible solution. And another possible is x is equal to 25. Okay, now let us see. Okay, so going back to the equation, it must be square root of x minus 7 equal, minus square root of 2, times square root of x minus 2. Okay, this is equal. Okay, so let's substitute. So this one is square root of 9 minus 2 equals square root of 2 times square root of x, minus 2. Okay, this one is the, now, so we have here 9 minus 2 is square root of 7 equals so we have okay 9 minus 9 minus 7 in here. It's not 2, this is 7. Yeah, so this becomes 2 equals square root of 2 times square root of 9 minus 2. So we have square root of 2 equals square root of 2. Then square root of 9 is 7. Square root of 9 is 3 minus 2. So we have here square root of 2 equals square root of 2 times 2 minus 3 minus 2 is 1. Then we have square root of 2. Then 1 times square root of 2 is square root of 2. So therefore, one solution is 9. The next solution is, let's see if, the second one, which is 25, is also a solution. Now, so we have square root of x minus 7, equals square root of 2 times square root of x minus 2. Now, so square root of 25 minus 7, equals square root of 2 times square root of 25 minus 2. Now, so we have here 25 minus 7 is 18, so square root of 18 is equal to square root of 2 times square root of 25 is 5 minus 2. So we have here square root of 18 equals square root of 2 times 5 minus 2 is 3. So we have here, we can simplify square root of 16. In my previous video, I discussed there to simplify 18, find a number, biggest square number that multiply to a number to get 18. So that square number is 9 times 2 is 18. Is equal to square root of 2 times 3. So The square root of 9 is 3 times square root of 2 equals 2 times square root of 3. So 3 times square root of 2 is equal to 3. Square root of 2 times 3 is 3 square root of 2. Okay, so it is also a solution. So 25 is another solution. So there are two solutions for this. It is, okay, we have x is equal to 9, and another one is x is equal to 25. Yes, okay, 25. Okay.